This is Irene from Apprisen, and I'm here to share with you 3 steps how you could purge debt this spring. Number 1, assess your debt situation. For each debt, write down the amount owed, the interest rate, and the minimum monthly payment. Number 2, set clear, achievable goals. You might want to focus on paying off high interest debt first, or maybe you want to focus on paying the debt with the lowest balance. Regardless, set the goals that are achievable and realistic for you. Number 3, create a budget. This budget should account for all expenses and all income. And make sure you have enough room in your budget so you are allocating as much as possible towards that debt. For the rest of the tips, click the link in our bio for our latest blog, Spring Debt Purge Plan.